Big announcement from the county today to try and speed up efforts to get people living on our streets into shelters and other safe housing solutions. But as CBS 8's Steve Price reports, a San Diego resident says the homelessness situation in his neighborhood has gone from bad to worse, and he doubts the county's plan will work.
He has sent the city over 1,600 get-it-done requests to try and clean up his neighborhood. But a Rolando resident says the situation out here is only getting worse, and he doubts the county's latest plan to spend millions will fix that. Trash strewn across the sidewalk, disgusting furniture, and what appears to be a person urinating in public.
And it's disgusting. It smells.
Daniel asked us not to show his face because he fears the people causing these conditions will retaliate against him. But several times a week, he takes pictures of the filth and sends them to the city.
I've been to meetings, I've talked to people in the city council and with the homeless agencies, and we're still back at the beginning.
Daniel believes the problem starts here at the Salvation Army Thrift Store Donation Center on El Cajon Boulevard. People leave donations after hours, and that becomes an attractive nuisance, drawing in homeless people looking for free stuff, but with nowhere to take it.
I come home and I find the homeless defecating in our lawns. They're vandalizing the properties. We've had break-ins. We've had them doing drugs in the property.
We know that the need is urgent.
Today, County Supervisors Chair Nathan Fletcher announced that the county has activated a Memorandum of Agreement with 18 incorporated cities to provide resources ranging from help getting financial and medical aid to behavioral health services. And the county will vote later this month to provide $10 million to help cities get homeless shelters up and running faster.
Getting them off the streets gets them in a better condition. It also improves the condition in our neighborhoods and helps our small businesses.
Daniel says that sounds great, but from what he's seen firsthand, he's skeptical it will work.
These aren't people that want, in my opinion, want housing and to get off the street. These are people that are taking over the streets, and they're doing the crime and the shoplifting and the drugs in plain sight.
The Salvation Army sent CBS 8 a statement saying, in part, we are determined to finding solutions to the complex issue of homelessness, including working with city and county leaders, and we are 100% committed to being good neighbors in our various local communities. City officials acknowledged the issue, adding in their statement, our office is working with city departments to prevent the dumping of items in this area and make it safer for residents. And that's all Daniel wants, to feel safe walking down the street.
It is a great neighborhood, and we just want it back.
In Rolando Village, Steve Price, CBS 8.